Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show how to delete your Facebook page. First open the Facebook, then go to the three dot and then select setting and privacy and then select setting. In this setting we have to select the page setting on the first option. Then we have to scroll down and we have to select the access and control. Then select deactivation and deletion. In this deactivation and deletion, there is two options. One for deactivating your page, that is your page is temporarily deactivated, but now we have to delete our page permanently. So select the second option and then press continue. Again press continue. And then again press continue. It asks your password for confirm that that the admin was deleting the page. I will enter the password and continue this video. After entering the password, the page was like this. In this page we have to select continue and then we have to select delete page. That's all. This is the process for deleting Facebook page. Thank you.